In this video, I'm going to talk about a gadget that I'm actually quite excited for, and it's an Arduino. For those of you who don't know what an Arduino is, it's a microprocessor that allows you to control motors, all sorts of things, all sorts of gadgets. You can do hobbyist projects that are microprocessor based. But I thought in this video we can unbox one of these new Arduinos that I got. It's actually USB-C based. It's a clone, so it's not the original Arduino hardware, but I don't buy them because I think they're a bit overpriced. Apologies to everybody on that. Regardless, I thought we can open it together. I got a pack of 3, so I got 3 boards. These are just headers you can solder on if you want. And here's the board. Very compact. It's the normal UNO size Arduino, and that's the star of the show. Is the USB-C, and it has some few upgrades. But basically, it's an Arduino, and if you don't know what it is, it allows you to control servo motors. You could, do audio projects with it. You can do all sorts of cool projects. Definitely browse around the internet for just Arduino-based projects if it's your first time, using an Arduino. But in this one, I just want to show this clone. I think I bought the pack of 3 for around $20, which is the equivalent of one Arduino, one official Arduino. But not to knock on the official Arduinos, they're great as well. But if you can get away with a clone, why not? And it's cheaper. For me, whenever I buy an Arduino, I never get to reuse it, so that's why I try to save money if I can. Because this Arduino would be dedicated to one project. Either it's glued onto it, or either I can't reuse it for something else, or whatever. It's hacked to pieces to just adapt for that project. So I go through Arduinos a lot. So it's nice to have a low-cost solution. Okay, that's enough of me blabbing. So here's the board, and here's the USB-C. In the rest of the pack, you get the other 2 Arduinos, and you get 1 cable. Cool. So I want to show you that it works just like a normal Arduino. So if I plug it in, and now I need to get a dongle because that's a MacBook Air behind me, and I don't have a dongle. Cool, you have life. And yep, allow this accessory to connect. So we're going to load basically a blink program where it blinks the LED. Low cost, USB-C powered. It has a few upgrades. I think the new one has CAN bus support, which is pretty cool. But I can't be sure if this one has it. Regardless, it's an Arduino, basic Arduino. And it works. For me, this is quite exciting because now I don't have to use weird USB-B port that's used for printers. I can use USB-C and work with latest ports. That's me for this one. But if you enjoyed that, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.